But with efficient production plans, businesses match demand forecasts with resources, delivering on time while keeping costs under control.
Without proper planning, companies either overproduce, tying up resources, or underproduce, missing customer demand.
But with efficient production plans, businesses match demand forecasts with resources, delivering on time while keeping costs under control.
Good planning starts with accurate demand forecasts, then aligns them with available labor, materials, and equipment. For example, if forecasts show a spike in holiday sales, production can be scheduled in advance while ensuring raw materials are secured. This balance prevents bottlenecks and wasted capacity.
Efficient production planning turns demand and resources into harmony, keeping factories productive and customers satisfied.